Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QTM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out in this situation a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low points, not even necessarily here, but even up here where the price was cruising around, and then all of a sudden you look at where the price closed today, whichever point you want to use, point here being the price has made a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question quite straightforward. And in my opinion, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down there at $1.25. Why is $1.25 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has genuine power, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.25. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates at the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart, which is, again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say there is a pullback, and the pullback does something like this. However, in this situation, behaves in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, progress is being defined and quantified once more as $1.25. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where's some potential battlegrounds at? In terms of where the sellers are at, let's scrunch up the chart here. I realize it's getting a little bit harder to see, but always a good problem to have when you have to go back further into a chart's history. Nope, broke above that level. There we go. Well, let's see. What is that value? Right up there at $1.55. So $1.55 initial level, just in case this crazy move continues. We'll map out one more area of resistance, and after $1.55, that makes it easy. Up there at $1.65. So $1.55, $1.65. Next couple areas of resistance. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.